The latest leaks surrounding the Leica M12 have sparked massive buzz, and for good reason. This isn't just another spec bump. According to insiders, Leica is preparing to break nearly every tradition the M series has stood for over the past half-century. Whether you're excited or outraged might depend on how you feel about Leica's heritage being reimagined for the modern era. After analyzing the leaked material closely, it's clear why this is causing such a stir among die-hard Leica fans. Some call it a bold step forward. Others see it as a betrayal of everything the M lineup represents. One thing's certain, this isn't a small update. It's a complete philosophical shift. At the heart of this rumored camera is a jaw-dropping full-frame sensor that could land somewhere between 60 and 70 megapixels. That puts it in medium format territory when it comes to image detail and dynamic range. If you've ever shot with an M11 and struggled in high-contrast lighting, those situations where the shadows clip and highlights blow out, this new sensor might be the answer. The tech reportedly allows for much greater tonal range, even in tough lighting scenarios. Backing up this sensor is a new generation of processing power, possibly the Maestro 4 or even a more advanced chip. This new processor isn't just about speed, though that's coming too, with potential continuous shooting up to 7 frames per second. That's a huge jump from the M11's 4.5 FPS and opens up possibilities for capturing fleeting expressions and motion with more confidence and flexibility. The ISO performance is also expected to take a leap, with native sensitivity starting at ISO 64 and stretching beyond 50,000. Early reports suggest that even at ISO 25,600, images could be remarkably clean, good enough to print, not just post online. That kind of low-light performance would redefine what street shooters and documentary photographers can capture at night. But perhaps the most talked about rumor is something no one saw coming: the possible introduction of a hybrid viewfinder. Imagine a system that preserves the classic optical rangefinder experience, but with real-time digital overlays like exposure indicators, focus peaking, and histograms, all without pulling your eye away from the scene. It's a move that could blend Leica's traditional shooting experience with modern feedback and control. And it doesn't stop there. Leica, long known for resisting trends like in-body image stabilization, is rumored to be caving on that front too. For decades, IBIS was seen as antithetical to Leica's pure, mechanical approach. But the market has changed. Cameras a fraction of the M's price now offer excellent stabilization, and many photographers, especially those using longer lenses or shooting in low light, rely on it heavily. If this rumor is true, Leica's implementation won't be an afterthought. It's expected to be seamlessly integrated, tuned specifically to work with the M series' iconic manual lenses. It could even allow handheld video or slower shutter speeds without a tripod, something that would have been unimaginable in the past for an M body. There are also whispers about enhanced weather sealing. Imagine taking your Leica into rain, snow, or dust without a second thought. The M12 might be the first M camera that's genuinely built to thrive in rugged environments, all while maintaining its signature brass or aluminum build quality. Even with all this new tech, Leica is reportedly making the M12 lighter than its predecessor. That could be thanks to advanced materials and internal redesigns, but it suggests Leica is finally acknowledging that comfort and portability matter for working photographers. On the connectivity front, the M12 is rumored to feature Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. That means faster wireless transfers, better remote control options, and quicker workflows, key for pros who need to get their images off the camera and into editing or sharing pipelines fast. As for the cost, it's likely to sit in the $9,500 to $10,500 range for the standard version, with special editions breaking the $12,000 mark. Given Leica's typical 5-year cycle, a launch could happen anywhere from late 2026 to early 2027. However, some industry watchers believe an official development announcement might drop as early as the end of 2025. What this all points to is a massive shift in Leica's direction. This rumored M12 isn't just a tribute to the past, it's a bold step into the future. For some, it's an exciting blend of heritage and innovation. For others, it's a controversial reinvention that risks alienating traditionalists. But one thing is undeniable: the M12 could become one of the most talked about cameras in years. It shows that Leica might finally be ready to serve not just collectors and purists, but working photographers who need cutting-edge performance and reliability wrapped in that iconic M series form factor. Whether this move will pay off for Leica or spark a backlash remains to be seen. But if even half of these rumors prove true, then M12 might just redefine what a rangefinder can be and what it's for.